Okay, guys, let's talk about this product. This Anua Heart Leaf Pore Deep Cleansing Foam. Let's talk about it. I recently started using it. You know, it has been hyped a lot by skincare bloggers. Um, I was using the Cosrx Good Morning Gel Cleanser. It was good. It wasn't bad. However, I was very skeptical about getting a fake, so I didn't want to try my luck because I have bought a fake one before. So I decided to go for this one, and it's a good cleanser. I'm not gonna lie, it's very. In fact, I feel like because I've just used it for a week now, I feel like it has done quite a few for my skin. Um, it has been working on my hyperpigmentation, and it's also I guess I I got quite a number of blackheads out after using this. Like as I was forming the lather on my skin, the blackheads came out. So it's a good cleanser. It's something I'm gonna be using consistently. Like this is gonna be my new cleanser. I'm not even playing because it's really good. It's very good. I tell you, it's very good. I think you should try it. It has the quercetinol. It has the heart leaf, and it is good for acne prone skin. However, some people have that it broke them out. So you want to do a patch test before trying it. It's not for everyone, but if it fits your skin, then you have yourself a good product. It's very good. It is good. I'm gonna give this one a solid 8 out of 10 because it is good. It has particles in it. They are not solid particles. You can feel them, but they're there. I think it's the heart leaf, whatever. Now you need to be careful when you're purchasing because we have a lot of fake because of how viral this is. A lot of fake out there. You need to be careful. If you need me to do a video on how to spot the original one, then that's fine. Especially when you're buying it online, you need to be very careful. It has to be a trusted supplier or trusted retailer, or buy it from the website, the Anua website. But it is good. It's a good cleanser. I'm not going to lie, and I'm gonna be using it. Then I'll keep you guys updated on how it is working and what it is doing to and for my skin. Yeah. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day, guys, and bye.